Guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how to update your Samsung Odyssey G4. So this is generally just for all Samsung monitors, not just the G4. So I don't have a Samsung monitor, but here in their website, it will show you how to do so. So the first thing is automatic updates. You will have to go to your menu, settings and all settings and tap support, and then turn auto update off and then back on and click on software updates followed by the auto update which will likely auto-update your monitor when needed. So next is through the internet. You can go to your settings and choose support and then software updates and update now, and then if there's a version available, it will update. Next is via USB. So this is gonna be more tricky because you have to download this or visit Samsung Download Center and then access your support website for your particular model, which is going to be your G4 and then your model number, product type, and then download the compressed files from there, and then you will have to put the USB into your plug in the computer basically, and then remote control menu, settings, support, software update, and then update now, and then choose yes. So you can verify if there are any updates by going to settings, all settings, support, and software updates, and update now. So if there's update detected, it will automatically install. If there's none, it won't. It's just that simple. So if there's no update, there's no update. It's just that simple. Your monitor is completely perfect and you don't really have to do anything. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.